Keep digging in a little bit deeper into what the Bible says about our nature and why the struggle with sin feels so universal. In Job chapter 14, verse 4, we read, "Who can bring a clean thing out of an unclean? Not one." And then Job 15, verse 14 says, "What is a man that he can be pure? Or he who is born of a woman that can be righteous?" These verses are powerful reminders that none of us start out perfect. We're all wrestling with the very same brokenness inside. This is it's not just about making mistakes. It's about recognizing that left to ourselves, we simply cannot escape the flaws and failures that seem to follow us around.